Now, good morning. Good morning, my brothers and sisters. The ones ready for south, the ones ready for east. Mona listen, ma tell ona. The people who get this message now, the youth, our youth, ready for you and get this message. Anywhere where you dey, make you stand up from your sleep. You don't read. As it be now, they see and say, Fulani don't declare war on us ready for south here. See, make I tell ona. This is no be time where you come dey harass. They chance people where they suffer. Ma tell ona we be cut boys. None of they tell this talk. I don't want to know the one where you belong to. I don't want to know the one where you fix yourself. But the matter don't read as it be now. It be Deba, it be Dewe, it be Iceland, it be Bocania, it be Greenlander. It don't read. The sagas don't change. Now that they let you know, say you don't fit do anything. You carry kala, they chance people, they collect their small bling 1,005 naira. It don't make sense. Now it don't happen. It don't reach, the beggar don't reach, because by the time when these people go come finish everybody, you know see person go rob. You know see person go collecting, or you know see person go kidnap. Then go there in charge of you, just like they are in charge of our governors. See, ma, I tell you, the destiny is in your hands now. You have your own destiny, they your hand. See, ma, I tell you, the matter don't read though. I told you, they see the saga so they happen. Backed by federal government of Nigeria. But you know go there now, you can't dey inside water soap enter your eye. You go there somebody will go there for far north. From far north. Senegal, Mali, Guinea, Chad. Then go come here. Not do them again. They come and say, you go give them your land. In fact, you go give them your grass. After you give them your grass, then you go forcefully collect your land from you. And for that reason, as you reject them, then go they kill your people. Your sisters go they involved. Your mama go they involved. Bros, they ask you, waiting make you they carry kalana. The kalana for waiting. I dey ask you now with the kalana for waiting, eh? You kidnap people when they travel, they go keep for bush, they collect money. The matter don't read. It is sad, no. Now you don't read. Carry your trouser or package and wear package. They say that they bring the war to your domain. If you don't give them your land, and you don't read. The matter don't be say. It dey for Debamo, it dey well, it be Greenlander, it be Bocania. As on a be, wanna put on our heads together, come together. No as on a go tackle this matter. You know if they claim hitman, as they claim hitman, they claim point one. If they claim execution, and the matter you don't reach. You are not a coward. Yes, you are not a coward. I they talk to you where they hear me. You're not a coward. As they claim say you got a morale, the morale don't reach. Now it don't reach to display. They don't take you for granted too much. They have taken us for granted too much. Remember the people that died during the war. And you remember the kind of manipulation that has been taking place all this while. See, make I tell on our governors are ready to defend us. Pata then go enter their private jet move. Who go suffer and me and you? See, man, tell you, I'm not ready to suffer. Since a package as I do like this now, one uncircumcised thing go just come carry body put for my body. So waiting happen now? Who born you? Who package you now? Who create you? Who carry you on this world? This matter, you don't read though. Man, I put on our heads together. As I want a biojipere, man, I bring a hard biojipere. They want about to spray granite. Now what for you? I believe you get sand, we go pack and pour them well. As they want by spraying with a spray everly. May you wake up. May you wake up. Time to the chance niggas the way they wear small bling 1,005 naira don't pass. Time to the hijack motor then where they travel, they collect money from people, don't pass. Now protect your territory, don't happen. Protect your territory, like I said, protect your territory. Me, I tell you, say protect your territory. I be woman, I tell you, say protect your territory. You never they do and then you see yourself with a lack. No. We the women will support on a big time. I tell you, I will support on a big time. Fear no dey catch now, she stay for back. Fear dey catch now, she stay for back. Now we be the belle, we dey front. The only difference is say we get value for human life. No be say we no sabi, I sabi. They say they no say we sabi big time. If you dey sleep, wake up. Now you need to wake up. Any package wey you know where you want package, wanna put on a heads together, package and come out. Still let them know say, "Una still get people, eh?" Jay.